coaster going down, but I never felt this high. Biggest ride of the century. Wanna drop into the ocean.
Set on 9 hectares, 23.5 acres, lush pastures, 8 paddocks. Welcome to Billabong.
Cause you can reach the sky while I'm stuck here on the ground. And I'm afraid of how it feels when you're not around. And I don't want to, but I can't deny. There's something about you, there's something about you. It took some time to realize there's something about you. And even though I know it breaks me down, 'cause you are way too good for me. Yeah, that I'm feeling more than less.
It's a farm, clear pastures, cattle yards, weighing mechanism, perfect for cows, horses, sheep, llama. Best of all, it's perfect for you.
Something about you.
The aspect here is special. The layout, even better. Built to the highest level with a steel frame, you have 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 3 living areas.
But I'm sober. 'Cause you can reach the sky while I'm stuck here on the ground. And I'm afraid of how it feels when you're not around. And I don't want to, but I can't deny. There's something about you.
My favourite part is the wraparound veranda. Party here with 100 guests or an intimate dinner for 2. This is one of a kind.
And even though I know it breaks me down, 'cause you are way too good for me. Yeah, that I'm feeling more than less I try. There's something about you. And you can touch the sky while I am stuck here on the ground. But truly I don't mind, 'cause I got the